Today's March 1st, 2025. We're doing a movement report for 3317 Perching Bird. We'll take a look at the exterior first, especially the plants. So it looks like we were able to recover some of the plants and they are going to start coming back. Hopefully there's some life in there and we'll see what's happening with that one. And if the ones in the backyard, if they don't come back at all, then we'll just go ahead and replace them. Everything back here is clean. And we do have a bunch of screw holes from prior tenants doing this stuff. It's not part of the lease where they can't just install and leave things alone. But next time, maybe in a couple years when we actually paint the exterior, we'll get all this fixed up and I'll definitely enforce that rule in the future. We do have some exposed wood here. I may get that taken care of sooner than later because I don't want that to do any damage to the house. Going into the kitchen here. The builder's blinds, for some reason, seem to really work well. I wish I knew where these blinds came from because they survived a long time. They're still working well. Got some minor problems here. For some reason, the dishwasher isn't opening. It seems to be on permanent lock mode and the garbage disposal is frozen, as well as there's a kink in the water line for the refrigerator. All small things that I'll get taken care of. Paint job came out really good. And in the backyard, the landscaper really thinks that this piece of dead sticks is going to come back. But like I said, we're going to give it a month. And if it's not working in a month, then we'll just get it replaced. But we did clean up the backyard a lot. Downstairs bathroom, basic. Wash and dryer in good condition. And here's this is probably the most, this carpet probably could have used the most attention, but like I said, you can see how clean it is now, so it's going to survive a while longer. Downstairs bathroom works, it's clean, functional, no clogs. Alrighty, carpets here in good shape. Got a few stains, but cleaners did a good job. Start with the loft. Bedroom 2. There we go. And bedroom 3. There's of course a huge walk-in closet for bedroom 3. That's it.